Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a brand new 2024 Hot Wheels. Today we have the latest gasser, 55 Chevy Bel Air gasser. It's got the collector on the side, which is kind of cool. Hot Wheels reverse rake. What does that mean? What are the reverse rake series? Riding low in the rear, these road warriors are real head turners. That's what a reverse rake is? Number 2 of 5 in that series, and number 63 of 250 on the year. Well, hi there, Catzilla. Reggie coming to visit. Let's get this open, see how cool it is. Not much of a pop there, but that's okay. Oh yeah, fat tires. I was expecting little skinny tires, but they're a little thinner than those ones, but they're not skinny. Engine exposed. Very nice. Driving on the left, all that chrome look is plastic. All the dark red or maroon, burgundy, whatever you want to call that, is all metal. Plastic bottom, made in Malaysia. Whoa. Whoa! The first one was wicked cool. It's got to have a good rebound. Just the way how high up it is. Yeah. Squeezing. Squeeze the juice forward. Yeah. Go backwards without squeezing juice. And squeezing the juice backwards. Not so fast. Oh, he doesn't want to be on there. Alright, let's see how this thing drifts. Drifty, ready drifty. Set. Right to the line and it comes off. Wanted to be centered. Donut drifter. They actually have a casting called the Donut Drifter now, though. Not a bad ride. A lot of people collect these gassers. Appreciate everybody tuning in. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Appreciate every one of you. Till next time. G10 out.